this video, we're going to be comparing the Tibetan Singing Bowl with the hand-beaten Singing Bowl. So both bowls are the same size, they're both 12 centimeters. And the main thing that stands out between them both is that the Tibetan Singing Bowl has an aged brass finish. It gives it like a rustic, sort of old look. The hand-beaten bowl has a high polish. It looks very smooth. Now, the other difference between both bowls is going to be the tone that each of them produce. So let's take a listen to the Tibetan Singing Bowl to see how it sounds. So first I'm going to knock it and then make it sing. It has a lovely bright tone, but right now we have nothing to compare it to. So let's see how the hand-beaten bowl sounds. Takes me back to Thailand, being in the temples. Has a kind of gong sound. Now, to me, the hand-beaten bowl has a calmer, deeper tone. And something worth mentioning as well is that every 12 centimeter Tibetan bowl is going to sound very similar. It's a great budget bowl for beginners, but each hand-beaten bowl is going to sound completely different because each one is completely handmade and the tone is going to be extremely unique. Anyway, if you want to check out these bowls, I will put a link in the description so that you can do that. Thank you so much for watching.